Hey there, multiplying numbers. Let's give it a shot. Example time, straight into it. First one, 43 times 2. So we're going to write them vertically again, like we did with addition and subtraction. 43 times 2. And what we do is we multiply vertically. We do 3 times 2 is 6. Then what we do is 4 times 2, which is 8, giving an answer of 86. So the 2 gets multiplied to the 3 and the 4. When you multiply two numbers, you are finding their product. Next one, 5. What the heck is that? That is a product. Whenever you see a set of brackets or parentheses in that manner, you just multiply the numbers. Oh, so this is just multiplication. That's weird. 5 times 19. I don't really like this myself. I'd rather have it the 19 at the top and the 5 on the bottom. I'm going to change that. 19 times 5. That's better. 5 times 9 is 45. What we do here, we don't write 45 because it's double digits. We only write the 5, and the 4 gets carried up here. And then we do 1 times 5 is 5, plus 4 gives 9. So the answer is 95. If you want to know what happened here, we did 9 times 5, and this is the units column or the ones column. So the 5 from the 45 goes here. But the 4 from the 45 is actually 40, so that belongs up here. And when we do 1 times 5, that's actually 10 times 5, which is 50. And this 4 is a 40. They add together to give a 90. That's what actually happened. Don't think about it too much. You might go crazy. Moving on to a couple more. 64. What the heck is this? Again, just multiply the numbers. Some people and some books use that to look fancy. Oh, this is a multiplication symbol as well. Don't confuse this with the decimal. Okay, the decimal is usually really small and down the bottom. This big, thick, chunky dot in the middle is sometimes called the dot product. Okay, but in this context, it's the same as simple multiplication. So we're just doing 64 times 9. Let's give this a try. 4 9s are 36, so we write the 6 and carry the 3. 6 9s are 54, plus 3 is 57, giving us 576. Next one, here we go, multiplying a couple of double-digit numbers this time. 83 times 47. This one takes a little bit longer to do. What we do is we look at the 7 first. 7 times 3 is 21. 1 goes here, carry the 2. Sticking with that 7. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 2 is 58. We then move over to the 4. Since it's not a 4, it's actually a 40. We're dealing with the 10s now. We automatically give a 0 here, and then we start here. 4 3s are 12. So we put the 2 here, and we're going to carry the 1. I'm going to forget about that now. Put a 1 there instead. 4 8s are 32, plus 1 is 33. We're not done yet. We now add these two. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. And we carry the 1. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 3 plus nothing is just 3. Answer here, 3,901. Whew. And there's still more. ENF, 70 times 38. This is something new. We've got this 0 here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 38 times 70. I'm going to reverse the order. What we now do with this is, there's a little trick here. We can take this 0, cross it off, and just bring it down here straight away, and treat this like a 2-digit times a 1-digit number. 7 times 8 is 56. Carry the 5. 7 3s are 21, plus 5 is 26, giving us 2,660. On to F, 28 times 97. Again, a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number. Now you can put the smaller number at the top as long as they're the same number of digits. This is no problem. Let's do it. Looking at the 7 first. 7 8s are 56. 6 down, carry the 5. 7 2s are 14, plus 5 is 19. Okay, then we write that 0 again. 9 times 8 is 72. 2 goes down. Here we're going to carry up the 7. By 5. 7 takes over. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. Now let's add. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry the 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. 2 plus nothing, 2 dominates. Answer here, 2,716. Done. Last two, I promise. They're getting bigger and harder now. This time we've got a 2-digit number times a 3-digit number. Oh goodness. Let's do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write the 3-digit number on top. Okay, if you've got a different number of digits, always put the one with more digits on top. 35. I think you can do it the other way, but I just like to stick with this way. So we're just going to do the same thing as we start off. 5 9s are 45. Carry the 4. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. And finally, 5 times 6 is 30 on the end here. We put our 0 like before. 3 9s are 27. The 7 goes down, we carry the 2. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. And finally, 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, the numbers are a bit bigger, but there's no real additional working here. Maybe the numbers are just a little harder. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 7 is 11. Carry the 1. 2 plus 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, I believe. Final answer. Can you actually say this? Give it a try first. Hopefully you could. This number is 21,315. Well done if you got that. Last one. A 3-digit number times a 3-digit number. I didn't want to do this. Oh, come on. Hold it together, will you, for heaven's sake. Come on, don't be a baby. Let's do it. 7, 4, 6 times 4, 8, 2. Maybe you've done this before, maybe not. Let's just follow along. So we work with the 2 first, same as always. 2 6s are 12. Carry the 1. 2 4s are 8, plus 1 is 9. And then 2 times 7 is 14. So far, so good. Now we move over and work with the 8, and we put our 0 here like always. And we work with the 8 through all these numbers. 6 8s are 48. 8 goes down. We're going to carry a 4 now. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 4 is 36. 6 goes down. We carry a 3. 7 8s are 56. Plus 3 is 59. Still with me? We now move to the 4, and we work through all these numbers with the 4. But before we do that, we put 2 zeros this time, because we're dealing in the hundreds now. 4 6s are 24. 4 goes down, carry the 2. 4 4s are 16 plus 2 is 18. Carry the 1. 4 7s are 28 plus 1 is 29. Phew, nearly there, home stretch. Let's add these. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry the 1. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Carry the 1 again. 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 1 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Carry another 1. 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Carry the 1. Last but not least, 2 plus 1 is 3. There we go. Can you say that number? Try and say it. Could you say it? Hopefully you could. The answer is 359,572. Don't you dare try and leave. It's now your turn. Please try example 2. Give these 8 nice multiplications a try and see how you go. You'll have to do a couple of tricks here and carry some numbers, and you'll also have a 3-digit number times a 3-digit number. Beast of a problem here. Good luck with that. Do it on paper now. No devices. There are no shortcuts in life. You're awesome, so you're going to get it right first time for sure. As always, share those answers in the comments, and thanks again for watching.